Okay everyone, so our topic for today is about the false dichotomy fallacy. So the false dichotomy fallacy can also be referred to as the either-or reasoning, the either-or fallacy, or the false dilemma. So the reason why it is called the either-or reasoning or fallacy is because it can also be determined as a false dichotomy fallacy through the use of either and or. So the false dichotomy fallacy is a situation wherein there are two opposing views, let's name them A and B, wherein the speaker acts like A and B are the only possible choices. So here are some examples. You can either go to bed or stay up for another 30 minutes and read. So this speaker acts like the persona can only stay up for another 30 minutes and read or go to bed. The persona cannot watch or do any other things. So let's look at the second example. I thought you were a good person, but you weren't at church today. So even though it doesn't use either and or, it is still considered as a false dichotomy fallacy because there are only two choices wherein the person is a good person or a bad person because the persona doesn't go to church. It does not indicate any other reasons. So take note that not all false dichotomy fallacies or false dilemmas use the words either and or as keywords. So for today's activity, for numbers 1 to 4, you must explain what you have learned about the false dichotomy fallacy. For numbers 5 to 7, give the other three terms for false dichotomy fallacy, and numbers 8 to 10, construct 3 sentences using false dichotomy fallacy. If you have any other questions about this topic, you can message me or consult me so I can answer them.